Matches are your new best friend. Hello everybody, hi, it's Danai. Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new. Thank you for clicking on this video, if you're new or old, as a matter of fact. Thank you, nice to see you. In today's video we are going to take a look at how you can keep your tiny apartment clean. Not necessarily, you know, squeaky clean. We don't have to clean all day every day Cinderella style. See, my boyfriend and I live in a tiny apartment of 22 square meters. We both very fast realized that you have to be on top of things to keep the place, you know, tidy. It gets messy fast, my point is. Let's go. Number 1, make your bed every morning. Yes, that is my number 1 tip. Make your bed. See, your bed takes a big chunk of your space. Your house is one room, so your bedroom is in your living room, in your dining room, in your kitchen. So you need to make your bed to keep your house quite tidy. It evokes this feeling of tidiness, and it is nice to look at. Tip number 2, clean your eating area right after you are done eating. Probably your eating area is also your working area, is also your having your coffee area, is any area, probably your only table. You don't have the luxury of having breakfast and then going to another room to work because you don't have any other rooms to go to. You need to clean after you have lunch or dinner or whatever to make it into your desk. In general, I advise you to keep your working space clean. No matter if you have a small space or not, it helps you get into the right mindset for working and being productive. So that is my tip number 2, which brings us to tip number 3, clean your dishes right after you are done eating. Your sink is probably teeny tiny, so you don't have a lot of room to leave dishes from your whole day or the day before that. It gets filled up pretty fast. Point number, I don't know. Remember, put your shoes in a shoe rack, or even better, your wardrobe when you come back. What I suggest, and what we actually do with my boyfriend, is that we have our most used shoes right next to the door, and then every other shoe that we might use, like sneakers or rain boots, we put them in our wardrobe so that there are not a ton of shoes laying around and making the space cluttery. And same goes with your coat or your jacket. When you come in, hang it at the back of your door, or even better, in your wardrobe. You don't throw away your coat. Miranda, what was her name? Priestley from The Devil Wears Prada?
Did you know it's delivered today? Where is everywhere? Why is no one supposed to work on it?
Anyway, the thing is that the tiniest of mess can make the place look very messy. So if you have your coat and your partner's coat and your bags all over your bed or your couch or your chair, the whole place looks very messy just because one part of the room looks messy. Get a vacuum. I personally like the broom. Don't think I'm crazy. It's because, first of all, it's silent, and also my mind is blank at that moment. I get to think whatever, get ideas. It's like being in the shower. You don't think, you just sweep. While the vacuum with all the noise annoys me, haha, pun not intended, but it is very useful because for some reason in a small space dust gets to accumulate very fast. You have to vacuum every other 2 to 3 days. It does not give you a break. Yeah, you need a vacuum. And for our last point of the day, it is to, drumroll, get a candle. You need that for your bathroom, especially if you don't have a window. Sometimes the ventilation can move around smells from the bathroom to the whole apartment, and that's not gonna be good. Thankfully, in this apartment we have a window, but I have been to apartments where the ventilation might not have been the best one, and that is not what you want. So get a candle, not an air freshener. In this channel we do not support aerosols because they're not good for the environment. And also get matches, not a lighter, get matches. The match, when it lights up, it eliminates all the other smells. It camouflages them. Gone forever. Matches are your new best friend. That was it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you liked this video. Comment. I would like to hear your thoughts on my tips at the comments down below. And you know what, if you have the time and you would like to, you could go check my second channel where I upload music and covers. I have it linked in the description box below. So yes, thank you very much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! I personally like the broom broom.